Hi everyone, I am planning a workshop. It's dedicated to the jaw-hips-pelvis-voice connection. And it's so mind-blowing that I thought, let me talk to you and invite you to join us. So if you are interested in knowing more, here it goes. The first part of the workshop is all about secrets. We will discuss embryology, fascia, anatomy, research. We will look at this one connection from different points of view. The second part is more practical. There is a set of exercises that we will explore together, and of course later on you can take them home and practice as much as you like to. We will end the workshop with a discussion. I love to hear everyone's voices after they've done all the work. So there is gonna be space for questions, thoughts, ideas, answers. In this way, I hope that you will not only understand the connection here, but you also will feel the connection in your body. Anyone can join us. It's online. It's gonna be fun, full of information, so I hope to see you there.